we're going to have clip A and clip B. Which one do you think I sound smarter in, and which clip would you trust more? Okay. If you charge your smartphone in the microwave for exactly 15 seconds, it'll gain a full day's battery life. Okay. Clip B. Your smartphone tracks your location even when you're not actively using it, unless you specifically turn off location services.
Clip A is the one that's clear and it's edited and it sounds great. And B sounds, computery and modulated and like you did it in a tin can. So I would go with A, obviously. Even though you told me to microwave my cell phone.
I know, that's a bad thing. According to a recent study in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, people rate speakers with high-quality audio as smarter, more attractive, and more interesting. So keep this in mind for your next Zoom interview